This how to 1 minute will show you how to disable Cloudflare in WordPress website. So if you're protecting your WordPress website using Cloudflare, you can easily delete your WordPress from Cloudflare in just few steps. First of all, open your Cloudflare dashboard and click on your website. And here scroll down and click on remove this site from Cloudflare. Click on remove. Once you removed your WordPress website from Cloudflare, now go to your domain provider website and go to your domain list. Now click on manage next to the domain. Select the domain option and scroll down. Here you will get the name servers option. So click on the name server drop down and select Namecheap Web Hosting DNS and click on save, and that's how you'll be able to delete your WordPress website from Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 minute. See you in the next video.